Hello friends, today we are just unboxing and viewing a Bluetooth SoundBar LP-C18 which is priced at ₹2,800. In this package includes user's manual, USB charger, aux cable and AV type aux cable. This having 45 cm length and 821 gram weight. In the top area has controller switches. The another side has USB charging port, on and off switch, aux in, SD card port and USB port. This having a big white color LCD display in the front area. This is working on the Bluetooth 4.2. This having 2000 mAh battery. This can be charged by using the USB 5V charger. This is also includes FM radio, clock, and alarm. The songs can be played through SD card, pen drive and audio cable. This also having equalizer mode. This also supports attending calls and talk to the caller. This is having good sound quality. I think the only demerit is that this is having no remote control. The company says this can be used continuous 8 hours at a single charge. If we are using full volume it will be vary. This is used 4 ohms 10 watts 2 speakers.
ഭാഷ തടസ്സമാവരുതെന്ന് പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി നരേന്ദ്രമോദി. പാകിസ്ഥാനുള്ള സൈനിക ധനസഹായം അമേരിക്ക നിർത്തലാക്കി. സൗദി അറേബ്യയിലും UAE-യിലും വാറ്റ് നിലവിൽ വന്നു. രഞ്ജി ട്രോഫി കിരീടം വിദർഭയ്ക്ക്, വിദർഭ കിരീടം സ്വന്തമാക്കുന്നത് ആദ്യം.